Hello everyone. Today, we'll walk through the process of installing Wireshark on a Mac. Before we begin, there are a few prerequisites to keep in mind. You may need administrative privileges to install Wireshark or its components. You'll also need a stable internet connection to download the installer, and ensure you have at least 100 megabytes of free disk space. Now that we're ready, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to wireshark.org. On the homepage, you'll see a download option. Before proceeding, it's important to confirm which type of processor your Mac is using. To do this, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select About this Mac. If your Mac has an Apple Silicon, ARM-based chip, such as the M1, M2, or later, it will display something like Chip, Apple M1 or Chip, Apple M2. If your Mac uses an Intel processor, it will show details like Processor, Intel Core i5 or similar. Once you know your Mac's processor type, return to the Wireshark website and click on the Download option. You'll be presented with different software distributions based on your computer's operating system. For this video, we will select the appropriate Mac ARM distribution and download the file. If you're using an Intel-based Mac, make sure to choose the corresponding Intel version instead. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. For Windows users, you can stick to the default settings during installation. If prompted to install mcap, which is a module required for packet capture, go ahead and install it. After the installation is complete, open Wireshark. For Mac users, you might receive a prompt to install chmod when you first open Wireshark. This is necessary for capturing packets, so go ahead and install it when prompted. That's it. Wireshark is now installed on your device. This local installation is the preferred setup for this course. Once you open Wireshark, you'll see a screen displaying a list of available network interfaces on your device. Each interface has a live graph showing the amount of network activity occurring through it. Choose the interface you're using to connect to the internet. This could be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. In this case, we'll select Wi-Fi. To begin capturing packets, either double-click on the selected network interface or click the blue shark fin icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Once the capture begins, you'll see 3 windows populated with real-time data. Don't be overwhelmed by the amount of information. Here's what you're seeing. The serial number shows the order in which packets are captured. The time column indicates the time elapsed since the capture began when the packet was transmitted. You'll also see the source IP address, which is the origin of the packet, and the destination IP address, which is where the packet is headed. The protocol column shows the protocol used for the packet, such as TCP, UDP, or HTTP. Finally, the length column displays the size of the packet. If you click on a specific packet, the bottom 2 panes will display detailed information about that packet. This information is divided into layers, corresponding to the OSI model we discussed earlier in the course. To stop the packet capture, click the red square button in the top left corner. That's it. You've successfully installed Wireshark and learned how to capture and analyze network traffic.